Digital Center is presenting its latest products in the Euro Attraction show in Berlin from September 26 to September 28, 2017. The firm, in Hall 25 Booth 100, will show its range of LED products including the Nexus Strip, the Panther Revolution and the Eclipse photo booths. The LED photo booths feature large interactive LED screens showing videos, photos and advertisements. When people run into the LED photo booths, most take pictures of it. As a result, they also want to take their photos, making it 10 times more profitable, said the firm. Both Digital Center coin-op and rental products will be at the show, as well as the Mini Igo and Strip, which are industrial event photo booths.